Hi friends! Okay, so today I decided to remake my how to make lipstick with crayons video that I made in 2014, which is 5 years ago when I was 14.
Guys, so as you saw in this introduction, I'm going to be making lipstick out of crayons. So this may sound a little bit weird because like you usually draw with crayons, so why would you make lipstick? But you can, and it's pretty cool too.
And I had braces and I talked so much in it and it's really cringy
Lipstick. So yeah, you just keep peeling and peeling and peeling.
But somehow I got 2 million views on it. It was really random and it really helped my channel grow, so I'm very grateful for it, and I thought I'd pay homage, is that the word, to that video by recreating it in a lot better fashion. So that's what I'm doing today. You probably have seen this before. Lots of people have done it, but basically you can make lipstick out of crayons using only 2 ingredients. Last time I used a bunch of other ingredients. This time I realized you really only need 2, and it makes it so much easier. It looks really good. This is the one that I made in the video, so you can see how I make that. I use like completely organic coconut oil, which is really good for your skin in general and for your lips. And then just mix that with non-toxic crayon, because crayon is for kids. It says on the back that Crayola specifically is non-toxic, and I'm sure most crayons are non-toxic. So there's that. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and let's get into it. So I'm going to fill it up about halfway.
I wasn't ready for that. Dump it down, do it again.
Ow! Ow! I punched myself. That was a dumb way to hold it. Ooh. Okay, we'll do it again. I'm going to fill it up about halfway. Done. Okay, so I dumped some of it out because it was way too much water. So I would say about 1/4 of the pot full, not half. But we're just gonna put this in there now. So we're going to, okay. So as you can see, a crayon is about 3.5 inches. So for every crayon, I do a teaspoon of coconut oil. And then you can just measure it from there if you're doing less amounts of crayon. I really want to make a true red color, so I'm just going to use the, red crayon, simple, combine any 4, 8, or 12 pack. I don't even know if a 4 pack exists, but I'm going to start unwrapping that.
Oh.
Unwrapping that.
Oh.
Oh my
That was clean.
Just like that. Keys. Okay, do the keys. Now I'm gonna pop this in the freezer for about 5 minutes. Process. And then we're good. So it made even more than what fit in my container. So it makes a lot of product. And with your leftovers, you can mix another color in and make a whole new lipstick, and then just fill up another container. There you go. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you all next time. Bye!